Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a file that was password protected with Vim and turn it back into just a regular text file. So first we're going to look at the file, and you can see it's not a regular file anymore. Okay, now I'm going to use this command, the vim-x, and followed by the file name. And it's going to ask me for the passcode that I used before when I encrypted it, and it's going to ask me to enter it twice, which I did, and there's the file. Now I'm going to type Control capital X. Then it's going to ask me for the encryption key, but I'm going to put nothing. I'm just going to hit enter and hit enter again. Then I'm going to go ahead and save the regular file with the normal WQ. And now I'm going to look at the file, and you can see it's back to being just a normal text file. Well, that's your Linux tip for turning a password-protected file back into a normal text file using Vim. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.